I'm officially kicking off my 100-day journey to financial freedom, and I want to take you with me. My name is Christine Austin, and welcome to my journey to revive and thrive to 100,000 plus in 100 days or less. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed by debt, or unsure how to start rebuilding your life, I get it, because that's exactly where I was. But instead of staying there, I'm doing something about it, and I'm showing you how you can do it too. Here's the truth. I am 51 years old. Yes, I am 51, but I'm almost 1 year out of a 14-year marriage and carrying about $300,000 in debt. But I've made a decision. I've been working on paying off debts slowly, but I'm going all in now to hit the six figures in the next 100 days or less to pay off the rest of these daggone credit cards and loans. All right. And I'll share this with you tonight on my live. This isn't about money, guys. It's about taking back control, creating new habits, and proving that no matter where I am starting from, I can rewrite my story, and so can you. This week, I'm laser focused on three things. Mindset. I've decided to stop drinking, avoid dating, and fully focus on my growth. I'm committed to developing powerful daily habits that keep me motivated and on track. The last book that I read with my book club was called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and oh my God, I learned so much about habits that I will definitely be using that tool moving forward. And don't worry, I'm going to make sure to share it with you guys too. The second thing is mastering that morning routine that I created. I start my mornings with prayer, meditation, journaling, and working out. Eating a healthy light breakfast, because most of y'all know I don't like the breakfast, but then also my coffee, because how you start your day is going to set the tone for the rest of your day. All right. And then the third thing that I'm focused on is building momentum in my business, making my daily calls, creating content, reaching out to new clients and old. And because consistent action creates consistent results, I created my daily tracking sheet to keep me on track, because I'm my own boss and I'm the only one that can keep me accountable. So that's what I needed. Now, as I said in my intro video, this isn't just about me. It's about you too. If you're tired of feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start, this journey is for you. Guys, make sure you like this, comment, drop a fire sign down in the comments if you're ready to build better habits, create financial freedom, and level up your life right now. And guys, don't be selfish. Share this video with everybody you know. Put it on your timelines, on your social medias. Send it to your loved ones. Live starts tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my YouTube. I will put that link in the comments. We're going to be talking about tips and tricks and strategies along the way. And don't forget, every Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going live. Yeah, I'm going live. It's been a while, but I'm going live. Let's revive and thrive together, because this season is our definite comeback season. Peace.